checking its condition. It doesn't seem as easy to restore as I thought. Now I'm going to check its oil. So you guys stop saying I never check the oil. The oil level is still okay. Let's remove the seat first, to check the battery. There's no battery. No wonder there was no power when I turned the key earlier. Let's connect the battery first. Now, let's add some gasoline from the year 2024. Let's try to see if it will start right up. It's not stable. Wow, the carburetor is leaking oil. Shut it down quickly. Let me put on my work clothes and gloves. Nobody likes it. Incredibly dirty. And this oil bottle looks entirely wrong. Seems like it's modified from a CB750 maybe? You can see all 4 floats have been modified. Probably the mechanic couldn't find the right parts. So he modified it using the 125. You could say the previous mechanic was really skilled. Now, I have to find a way to deal with this glue first. Wow, such a big lump. This can still move. Doesn't look like a big problem. It's not corroded either. Probably just these 2 seals are aged. Let's replace them. Now let's continue disassembling it. This is the reason why it was leaking oil. The seal has aged. Got everything prepared. Let's install it right away, and then start this CB750. Now let's listen for any odd sounds from the engine. Better hurry up and dismantle this rapidly. That's a Honda CB750. The last generation of air-cooled engines. It's especially classic. Just the engine has a serious oil leak. The shock absorber is leaking oil too, including the fuel tank that is also heavily flaking paint. You can also see its rear shock absorber has severe oil leakage. This bike should be a product from the 70s to the 80s. It should be over 40 years old by now. Almost every part needs to be repaired. Looks like it's going to be a long process.